Welcome to our guide on how to enable AutoLock on Telegram for PC. Follow these steps to enhance the security of your Telegram account while using it on your computer. To begin, open the Telegram app on your PC. Locate and click on the three lines icon positioned at the top left of the screen. This will open a menu where you can access various settings. Next, click on Privacy and Security from the menu options. This will direct you to a window where you can manage your security preferences effectively. Proceed by selecting Settings to navigate to the Settings page. Within the settings, find and click on Local Passcode. Here, you will see the option for Auto Lock if away for. Click on this option to set up Auto Lock based on your preferred duration. Choose the desired lock period from the available options, which include 1 minute, 5 minutes, 1 hour, 5 hours, or a specific time of your choice. Once you have selected the desired duration, click on OK to confirm your selection. By following these steps, you can enable AutoLock on Telegram for PC, providing an added layer of security to your account. Customize the lock period to suit your preferences and ensure the safety of your Telegram usage on your computer. Thank you for watching.